Here's a 1966 Chevelle SS Tribute. It is not a 138 car. It would have started life as a Malibu, obviously. Very nice car, though. Done up nice. Done nice with the SS badging. Does have a 396 underneath the hood. 396 with roller rockers. Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb. It's a 1968 396 that's in there by the casting numbers. That's paired with a 4-speed Muncie. Manual transmission, obviously. Riding on Krieger SS's. As you can see, the paint's got a nice luster to it. The previous owner we traded this in from had this car for a little over 20 years and has approximately 10,000 miles on it since it's been done. Got a beautiful stance to it. Nice sound. Interior's nice on it. I'd call this a upper echelon of a nice driver. Could take it to shows, take it to your local cruise-ins, or just out for those Sunday drives. Be proud to drive this car. I mean, you can see the luster, you can see the fan, reflection in the trunk deck there, off the wall, signs. We're going to slip around and start this up too so you can hear it run. Like I said, it's got a beautiful sound to it. Car's nice and straight. Let's go ahead and check out the interior on it so you can... Bucket seats, vinyl. Vinyl's in nice shape. Door card's also nice shape. Really pretty solid car all the way around. Headliner, back seat. Let's go ahead and fire this up a second. Nice starting vehicle. Like I said, runs very nice. Roll the rockers in there, it's smooth. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Little rumble out of that 396. If you'd like to see the underside pics, check out the engine bay, trunk, interior. If you'd like to see the still pics, unique classic cars, where you can see those at. Feel free to give us a call also. We may be reached at 507-386-1726. 1966 Chevelle SS Tribute.